How is it going, everybody? You're watching That About Tech. So let's say you lost your iPhone, or even worse, somebody stole it from you. Well, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to track your lost or stolen iPhone using any other phone that you have available. It could be another iPhone or an Android phone, and the best part, it doesn't even have to be yours. You can actually get it, you can actually borrow any phone from anybody and actually track your lost or stolen iPhone. Let me show you how to do that. It's super simple. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this iPhone as the example. So this is an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's pretend this is lost or it got stolen. So I'm gonna leave it right here, locked, as you can see. And please keep in mind, this method will also work if the iPhone is turned off. Okay, so this is very important as well. Okay, so the iPhone is gonna be right here, and I'm gonna get my Android phone and I'm gonna actually track it and find it super easy. As I said, you can use either an Android phone or an iPhone, but I'm gonna use an Android just to prove my point that it can actually use any phone for that matter, all right? So all you have to do really is open up your favorite browser. So I'm gonna use Google Chrome in this example, and then we're gonna go to this website, which is iCloud.com. As easy as that, iCloud.com. Please keep in mind, it'll always be iCloud.com. You don't need to do anything else, just iCloud.com, all right? Always like that. Of course, I'm gonna have a direct link in the description as well if you prefer. Right here, we're gonna actually go ahead and sign in. And of course, we're signing in to Apple's official iCloud website. And right here, all you have to do is sign in with your Apple account. So your email and password of your Apple account, previously known as your Apple ID. It's the exact same thing, okay? And of course, you're gonna need to type in right here and sign in with the exact same Apple account that's logged in to this iPhone, to the iPhone you have lost or that somebody stole it from you, okay? So use the exact same account that's logged in to the iPhone that you want to find and locate. If you don't know or don't remember your Apple account, of course, you can easily go ahead and tap on this button, Forgot Password. So tap here, and then of course, Apple will help you reset your password. This is, again, another official page, Apple account. So this is iforgot.apple.com, as you guys can see. So another official Apple website that you can go ahead and get help. Moving on, let me actually go ahead and type in my Apple account email and password. And then all I have to do is tap on this arrow moving forward. It's gonna log in, as you guys can see right here. And this is where a lot of people have questions, because most people actually have two-factor authentication. And they're gonna think, how am I actually gonna type in my two-factor authentication if I don't have my iPhone with me? It's not with me, it's completely lost. And of course, Apple thought of that. You don't need to type in your two-factor authentication for what we wanna do, because all you have to do really is scroll down and keep scrolling until you get to the bottom of this page where you can see Find Devices. So Apple actually implemented this button thinking specifically about this. So as you tap on it, you're already gonna see iCloud Find Devices, and you're already gonna be able to find your iPhone, your lost iPhone, even without the two-factor authentication. So it's gonna load. This may take a few seconds, so just bear with me. And then, as you can see, it's already gonna start loading map, and we're already there, guys. We can already track our lost or stolen iPhone. As you can see, I actually have a list of my devices, and this device right here is this one, Daniel's iPhone 17 Pro Max. So as you tap on it, you'll actually be able to easily locate it, see it on the map. Of course, I have blurred the map partially just for privacy reasons, but you can definitely see everything right here. You can see that the iPhone is right there in the middle, very easy to pinpoint. We have the name, the device itself, the battery, and of course you can do whatever you want. You can play a sound if you want to actually track it. If you think it's near you, you can play a sound and easily get to it, or enable lost mode, or even of course erase your device remotely. You can do everything from here, and as I said, this will fully work even if your lost device is turned off, all right? Because the feature is still available even if the device is turned off, all right? So that's literally it. And of course, you can do the exact same thing and follow the exact same process if you want to do it with an iPhone if you want to. Of course, just go ahead and open up your browser and do the exact same thing. So go to iCloud.com and then just follow the steps. It's going to be the exact same interface. Everything will be the exact same thing, all right? So go ahead, log into your Apple account, and you see the exact interface, all right? So that's literally it. That's how you're actually able to track a lost or stolen iPhone using any device that you have with you. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope this helps you out. See you later, guys.